If you're disputing errors on your credit report, the process typically takes 30 to 45 days after you submit a dispute. During this period, the credit bureaus investigate the claim, and if the dispute is successful, your credit report will be updated to reflect the changes. Building a positive credit history requires more time. Consistently making on-time payments and reducing debt are key actions that will gradually improve your credit score, but it can take several months to see significant results. The longer you maintain these habits, the more your credit will improve, but patience is crucial during this phase. For more significant credit issues, such as recovering from bankruptcy or dealing with major delinquencies, the timeline for improvement is longer. These types of financial setbacks can stay on your credit report for years, and it may take several years to fully recover from them.